Nearby?
Do you need a bathroom, or are you going to play the game?
I'll play the game.
Okay. And what's your name, sir?
You can scoot over further. Where we had the chair. Yeah, great. No, that's fine.
Here?
That's fine. Okay. Let's get another volunteer. Right exactly where we had the chair to begin with.
Okay.
That's great. Okay, have a seat. What's
こ
your
れ
name?
からどのような展開になるかわからないですけど。
Eric. Thank you, Eric. Have a
エリックとカスリン、ウェーイ Okay guys, so what's going to happen is anytime these fellas make an action that requires a sound, you will supply the sound. So let's do a quick practice.
Alright. So I'm a little hungry. I need to open up my refrigerator. See a little bit of oil.
Very, very good. Okay, let's do a practice over there.
Sweet. Okay, I'm gonna take out a frying pan and make an omelet.
I hate eggs. Yuck. Yuck.
We might need another volunteer.
Okay, so this seems
Eric, I'll take the microphone.
perhaps
Okay.
challenging.
Go ahead and have a seat.
So yes, ma'am.
We get another volunteer? Great, okay. Awesome. You see how this goes now, so I think we can handle it? We're good?
So what's your name, ma'am? What's your name?
Amber.
All right, Amber. Okay, so let's do a quick check with Amber. I'm just gonna make an omelet. I'm gonna take my pan out of the...
Boop boop.
Perfect. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you very much.
Okay, and now we just need one suggestion. What would you give someone you love? 愛する人に何を贈り物としてあげるのか Someone you love, sir. Someone you love. Sorry? A ring. Okay, we have syphilis, we have a ring. Any other suggestion?
A balloon.
A balloon. Okay. Let's go with ring. Have fun, guys. Have fun now.
Alright, just gonna log into jdate.com. J for Japanese. Wow.
My lipstick.
Wow, I got 6 Honko stamp approved emails.
Wow, Tomoko. Wow, Tomoko, you sound amazing. Not you, Tomoko. Tomoko in this email. I'm gonna send Tomoko an email. Now I'm just gonna eagerly wait and listen to some tunes.
I'm gonna take a selfie for Jimmy.
Oh, jeez, wow, I just got an automatic selfie from Tomoko. I gotta unlock it. Wow, Tomoko. Shit, oh my gosh. Snapchat says you're nearby. It's a new location. Geolocation. You just snapped right by me. Oh. Shit. Tomoko, welcome to my 1R.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I liked your snap.
I
You
know.
must have been creepily right outside the door when you
All
did it.
day long.
Come on in. Yeah, come in. Welcome. Very light shoes for a clearly light woman.
That's right.
So, would you like something to drink?
Yes, please.
Would you like me to say what it is, or I should just surprise you?
Yes, please.
Just a second. You want to try it?
Yeah, I'll try it. Whoa, try it. All over me.
All right. Wow. So,
Thank you.
hang on. Last time you had a couple too many. Okay, let's just settle down, Tomoko.
Thank you.
All right, let's look. I want that. Stop. This is my 1R. I know it. That's where my futon goes.
Ooh,
Watch.
the futon.
Yeah. It's an automatic. Now, hang on. It's an air mattress, so we got inflated.
Okay. I just do it in one breath.
What?
That's all I need.
Now, Tomoko, I rap. Oh, Chase, don't bounce on the
That's
back.
okay, I don't weigh much.
No, it's losing air because of the glass that you broke. Tomoko, listen. Wow, your dress is so smooth. It makes a sound when I touch it.
Yeah. I can take it off.
No, we're not there yet. Tomoko, I've got a box for you. This is our 1 hour anniversary, so I've got a present for you. Yeah, Ichichikan, we've been together. It's going there. It's a music box. And so, hey, no, it's not the Lion King. Wrong musical. I'm gonna give you the box.
Okay, give me my box.
It's supposed to be more dramatic than that, Tomoko. I'm gonna give this. Open it. See, isn't that amazing? Thank you. Round of applause for Amber. Thank you very much.
Way to go, Catherine.
Nice.